This is my microwaved egg quiche. Get a bowl, egg, and your favorite ingredients: cheese, olive oil, these delicious bird's eye chili peppers, onion powder, garlic powder, sesame oil. I heard you're not supposed to do this, but a little milk. Growing up, my parents always put a little milk in our eggs, so I do it too. I think it makes it a little chewy, so if you don't really like that texture, maybe just leave it out. This is what I like to put in it, but you can do whatever you want. You can never go wrong when you listen to yourself. I highly recommend that you try these with a little bit of mayonnaise, some sesame seeds, and a bunch of peppers. Top it off with honey, and it's just like a really creamy quiche with a great crust around it. And you made it in the microwave. It takes about a minute and 30